What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. So talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, and y'all still getting scammed by them. So please, get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So we back at it. We back at it with the gems. We back at it with the sauce. I'm going to really show y'all how to really get this money. Because there's a lot of different ways to get loans. There's a lot of different ways to get credit cards. There's a lot of different ways to get a lot of different things that you need to succeed in life. So today we're going to be talking about Seacoast Bank. They're giving out the $50,000 no doc loans. They got credit cards, personal and business. And they got personal loans on the personal and business side. They got a lot of different things going on now. As you guys know, all my videos, in the beginning of the video, I literally tell you guys how to clean your credit, how to add trade lines and AUs so you can boost your credit so you can have a better chance of getting approved for these loans. Because like I told you guys before, there are different components that these lenders and these banks look at to see if you verify or you in consideration of getting one of these loans. Now, a lot of people say, oh, I got bad credit. I need to, I'm going to get a bad credit $10,000 loan. They're going to get me approved. No, it doesn't work like that. They're giving $10,000 bad credit loans to people with bad credit who are actually trying, that they have a paper trail where they actually can cover this $10,000. Now, when the banks and lenders go to see if you qualify for any type of loan that they're looking for, they're looking at your payment history. B, they're looking at your debt. And C, they're looking at your credit score, because those two first things will generate you a credit score. So if you got high debt on your credit profile and you have exceptional payment history, you're going to have a high credit score. If you got a high debt on your credit report and you don't have good payment history, you're going to have a low credit score. If you're not making payments on none of those collections or none of those trade lines that you have on your credit report, you're going to have a low credit score. Now, a lot of people go off Credit Karma to get them a free account on Credit Karma. They be like, oh, you got a 750, oh, you got a 680, you got all these random numbers. Those are not your real credit scores. Those are not your real FICOs. That's a Vantage 3.0 score, which means could be, possibly, close to, maybe not. So everybody is going off that Credit Karma score, that Vantage 3.0 score, and that is not your accurate credit score. You need to get you an Experian account, pay $25 a month, get your 3 FICOs, see your debt, see what's all going on, so you can have a better chance of cleaning your credit, building your credit, and getting it off the rockers. All right, so boom. Once you apply for certain things and you start making payments on certain accounts, those are trade lines. So if you go get you a loan, an auto loan, a title loan, and you're paying each month on that, that's a trade line. You go get you you go finance your furniture, you go finance a TV, you go finance anything, that's a trade line. All right, so that's a primary trade line. Those are what you need to start building your credit. There are also trade lines that you can buy. So which means you can go on creditstrong.com and buy up to $42,500 worth of trade lines, which means all you have to do is each month pay on this trade line. It might be $500, it might be $100, it might be $250. It different trade lines, different prices. But as long as you're paying each month on this trade line, it will report to your credit report, which will boost your credit. It doesn't take much to build your credit. You just got to have a little capital and the knowledge on how to do it, and you can do it in no time. Building credit takes no time. If you know how to freeze your credit, then you know how to go to your credit profile and dispute all those collections, because any collection over 7 years or older is classified as expired. Those are going to be the first ones falling off your credit. You know these type of things. You follow those steps, you'll be in the game to win. All right, so then you're going to leverage your personal credit, because a lot of people think you need an 850 credit score. You need the perfect credit score, personal credit, to do anything that you want. No, you can have a 650 credit score and leverage it towards your business credit and get way more funding. So if you got a 650 credit score, personal credit, and you got your $5,000 credit card either in your name or AU account that you brought off Trade Line Supply. You can leverage that towards your business, get you 5 net 30 accounts, and you can start getting a $15,000 to $20,000 credit card. And if you understand credit stacking, credit card stacking, and you understand certain credit cards only pull from certain bureaus, you can get multiple credit cards that pull from that bureau, 3 to 4 from each bureau, and get up to $250,000 worth of credit cards. And a lot of people don't understand that. So it's a lot of different ways for you to obtain money through credit. You just gotta have the knowledge on how to do it and do it the right way, and you will be successful in doing it. All right. So today we're gonna be talking about Seacoast Bank. They're giving up to $50,000 in no-doc loans. They got credit cards, lines of credit. They got debit cards. They got everything that you need to succeed and be successful when it comes to making money. All right. So without further ado, let's check out Seacoast Bank. Okay, so today we're going to talk about Seacoast Bank. They got personal business, they got business, they got wealth and investment, they got research center, all right? So we're going to go to click on personal, they got business. So business, we're going to check out the business loans. So we're going to click on the business loans. Let it load for a second. All right, so get the business loan needed to get your business going. Fast local decisions, competitive interest rates, financing available from $50,000. All right, so our term loan comes with these features: up to 5-year term, fast loan closing, financing available for $50,000, 0.50 origination fee. So what you need to apply: 3 years of tax returns for the business in each generator, list of your current monthly debt payments, personal financial statement, driver's license information for each owner, identifying information including date of birth and documentation for each individual that has 25% or more beneficial ownership in the legal entity or the one individual with significant managerial control. Requirements, and then it goes into that. So then we're going to go to the personal side. They got the checking, savings. They got consumer lending, auto loan, boat, yacht loan, home equity line of credit, aircraft loan, RV and motorhome loan, payment calculator. They got jumbo loans, construction loans. They got FAH loans, VA loans. They got credit cards. Boom, so make it grandest home ownership a reality. Seacoast Jumbo Loans features a loan to consider jumbo when its balance exceeds the confirming loan limits set by the Federal Housing Financing Agency. Current limits above $700,200, $26,200. So fixed rate and adjustable rate options available, hands-on. They got different things. So let's go check out their credit cards. So they got business credit cards. Choose from our popular business credit card options such as low rate, cash back, or flexible rewards to find the one that works best for your business. All right, so no matter which card you choose, your business will benefit from important features like free online expense reporting tools, mobile payment capability for added convenience, no fee for additional employee cards, zero fraud liability. You won't be liable for fraudulent purchases when your card is lost or stolen. Card member services available 24 hours a day, 365. So they got different credit cards. Let's see the credit cards that they got. They got different tools. They got personal credit cards. Business credit cards. On the business side, it's pretty much the same thing. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go open up a bank account with them, personal and business with them. Once you open up the business account with your EIN number, you want to let it sit for 32 days. And while the 32 days is sitting, you want to deposit money periodically into that account. Once the 32 days is up, you want to walk into the bank or you want to call them and be like, hey, I'm trying to get a business loan for $49,000. No doc, as long as you got a decent, fair personal credit to leverage towards your business credit, you'll get approved easy. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about Seacoast Bank, how you can get your $50,000 no doc loan with them and credit cards, and other loans. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about it. All right, there you guys got it. Seacoast Bank. They're giving out the $50,000 no-doc loans on the business side. They're giving out credit cards. They're giving out lines of credit. They're giving out all that. All you got to do is apply for them, open up a bank account, open up a business bank account, check it in savings. Once you open up a bank account, let it sit for 32 days. In the between time, deposit money into that bank account periodically. Make sure you got your personal credit together. Add those trade lines, add those AU accounts. Once you do that, add the trade line, the credit card AU, get at least a $5,000 card or higher, a couple $100 to add it to your credit report. Once you do that, leverage it towards your business. Once you leverage it towards your business, get those net 30 accounts, get at least 5 of them. You got 30 days to pay those accounts off. That'll boost your business credit up fast. And you'll start getting approved for these big loans and credit cards, right? So make sure y'all really tapping in, man. Make sure y'all really paying attention to what I'm saying, man. Make sure y'all really taking notes. Make sure y'all going to practice. Make sure y'all getting this money, these loans, these lines of credit cards, everything that you need, because it's possible. Anybody can do it. Everybody can do it. You just got to follow instructions. A lot of people see people do things and they just say, I want to do it too, knowing good well they don't know nothing about what's going on. They do not know what they're doing, but they so thirsty for some money, they just jump up and do it, all right? Then be mad when they can't do it. So please, start doing y'all research. Start paying attention. Start really, asking questions and things like that, getting y'all lessons, because knowledge is power. The more information that you got, the more knowledge that you got about something, the more you'll be successful with it and doing it and making sure you can get your money with whatever you're doing, all right? So make sure y'all paying attention, watching the video, hearing what I'm saying, taking notes, practicing, going to do your own research so you can learn a little bit more on yourself, and I guarantee you'll be successful, all right? So shout out to everybody that's been tapping in. Shout out to all my King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old, because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping the sauce, and y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained, all right? So shout out to y'all. Also, anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons, you want to clean your credit and build it, it's going to be $600. I'm going to teach you how to do that. But if you want me to do it for you, add them trade lines, them AUs, all that, it's going to be start at $1,500 and up. So make sure y'all tapping into my credit repair business, New Age Credit Repair. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, FaceTime one-on-ones, it's going to be $500. Any basic lesson, any topic that you want to learn, one topic, $500, FaceTime one-on-ones. Also, make sure y'all tapping in getting y'all unlimited gems. FaceTime one-on-ones, $1,200. All right, unlimited gems. We'll get the CPN sauce, the credit sauce, how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, how to invest, everything that you need to know. Any method out the method book, all that good stuff like that. So make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all unlimited gems. Also, make sure y'all tapping in and getting y'all mentorships, $2,500. So it's gonna be everything that the limited gems, plus you're gonna get the DW information, and we're gonna make money together. Yeah, we're gonna tap in and make money together with this YouTube automation. We're gonna create a channel or two, we're gonna put the money into it, we're gonna create the videos, and we're gonna make it happen. As long as you put in the same time and effort and grind that I put in with this channel to grow and build it, we will have no problems. All right, so the channel start making 5,000, we get 25, I get 25. It start making 10, you get 5, I get 5. It start making 20, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping into your mentorships. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. All right, so if I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. If you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. $500 deposit. Once you pay your deposit, we're going to pick the date, and we're going to make it happen from there. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with that. Also, still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, singers, models, content creators, videographers, you name it. Tap in. Let's get this production company running. Let's get this production company going and start making these millions together, all right? Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you and your career? Make it make sense, all right? Any beautiful ladies out there, any models that's looking to build their brand, their platform, get their face out there, try some new things, start getting some money, start really elevating in life, tap in. We're going to do a lot of different things. We're going to be traveling. We're going to be doing skits, blogs, interaction with the fans, podcast, you name it. I might even have you rapping, so you never know. Whatever, you might want to do something, but that might not pop for you. But as long as you give yourself different opportunities to do something and make some money, I guarantee something's gonna work. As long as you put the time and the effort and grind into it, all right? So any beautiful ladies out there, if you don't got a good attitude, don't tap in. But if you got a good head on your shoulders, tap in. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Point blank, period. I ain't got time for that, all right? So make sure y'all tap in. Any videographers out there that can travel, you Texas, Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, tap in. You got a good camera, 4K or better. You got good mask and transitions, 4K, FX effects, all that. Tap in. Let's get this work done. Looking to build this team. Content equals views. Views equals money. Easy as that. So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Let's get this money, man. Anybody out there, listen, y'all better go follow my Telegram. I got a lot of good deals out there. We running these bands, we getting this money. Anybody out there looking to get the Cash App glitchy with one free fully, the card cracking method, and the bank drop method for $250 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Do not miss out because it's a lot going on, so don't miss out. Go follow my Telegram. My Telegram link is in the description and it's in my community post, so you cannot miss it. Once you $250 ready with the Cash App or Bitcoin payment, $250 on your balance, send me the screenshot and let's get to work. If you do not send me the screenshot, it's gonna be $350 for you. So please follow instructions before y'all hit me. Don't just say I'm ready to work. No, send me the screenshot of the $250 being in your Cash App balance and we're gonna get to work. All right, so Cash App glitchy, card cracking method, bank drop method, one free fully, $250 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Make sure the payment on your balance, send me the screenshot when it is, and let's get to work, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in, man. Follow me on my Telegram, my social media platforms. Go run them followers up on my IGs. King Hussle X1M and the real King Hussle X1M. That's my backup. And let's get it in, man. Let's get back to this money. It's a new week, new dollars, new everything, man. Let's get it. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.